how to blur faces and license plates on Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started right away. So there is a way of using the blur tool, but it's not the best way. So in order to blur this license plate or faces, we're gonna use the shape selection tool. Let's go and choose. For the plate, we're gonna use the rectangle tool and select it like this, and then go to filter, blur, and go to Gaussian blur, and then increase the radius as much as you can. Let's make it like less in order to look good, like this. Yeah, I guess this is perfect, and click on OK. This is the way. There is also the pixelating way. Let's use it like by going to filter, pixelate, and mosaic. Let's increase the cell size. As you can see, here is this way. And now the license plate is blurred successfully. Let's do it with a human face, and let's now use the ellipse selection tool and select this face like this. Let's move it to be like this, and then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and move this as you want. For human face, we need more radius, and click on OK. Let's use also the pixelating way. Go to mosaic and click on it and choose the cell size you want. If you want it like this, let's make it like this in order to look good, and click on OK, and that's it. It's very easy and very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.